Zone of proximal development was a learning theory developed by Lev Vygotsky. Lev Vygotsky suggested that a more knowledgeable other can lend aid to underachieving students. Zone of proximal development states that by providing the appropriate amount of help to a learner at the exact moment can help them achieve success at tasks that they would not have otherwise been able to accomplish on their own. So ZPD has been developed and just expanded further by Wood et al., who kind of changed the name to scaffolding. Scaffolding is also synonymous with cooperative learning and guided learning. Scaffolding can be adapted for any task, and it includes modeling a skill, providing hints, adapting the material or the activity to the level of the learner. Effective scaffolding can be done by maintaining learner interest, simplifying the task, emphasizing critical aspects of the task that result in the solution, controlling the learner's frustration, and demonstrating a task. Once a child is competent in a skill, or it doesn't even have to be a child, more like once a student is competent in a skill after receiving the benefits of scaffolding, the scaffolding can be removed and the learner is able to complete the task on their own. Guidelines for scaffolding include assessing a learner's current knowledge of content, relating the content to the student's understanding, segmenting the task into smaller chunks, providing feedback continuously, assisting the learner with verbal cues and prompts. So back to Lev Vygotsky, his whole idea of the zone of proximal development inspired other models of teaching. The first of which is knowledge through social interaction, which basically states that the teacher is responsible for mediating the student's needs. The second model is collaborative learning, which has to do with group work. It states that members of groups should have varying levels of ability to meet less advanced members in their ZPD, in their zone of proximal development. And the last model is reciprocal teaching, which improves students' ability to learn from a text, which involves collaborative learning and takes place in mastering summarizing, questioning, clarifying, and predicting text. Again, Lev Vygotsky believed that interactions with peers is an efficient and effective way of developing strategies and skills. That is zone of proximal development. Thank you.